Okay, quick video on the Ford Fiesta. So we've checked all the previous work we've done and everything's tested up fine. The only thing I've now found is I've had to strip down the tailgate because there was a little bit of a suspicious. This was getting wet here where the latch is. So what we're going to do is we're going to close this, the tailgate. Now what we're going to focus on is this little grommet in here. Now if I just give that a little bit of a lift, it's actually, it looks like it's broken off. So as you can see, there's a break in it. So if we pour some water down the back side of the window, so it took us a while to find this one because it's a bit of a strange one because it wasn't adding up to the evidence. So if we go like that and then put the jump in the back of the car. Right, okay, so we can see that the water is passing through here and then it's coming down here, running down on the tailgate, and then it's running in. So then it's ending up in where the spare wheel is. But once the cover's on and this cover, the step here is on, what it will be doing is it will be kind of diverting it off to run off to the sides, like here. And then that adds up that it's getting wet in the sides, and then it's following it all the way down and then coming into the driver's footwell and the passengers. Now if we just have a quick look underneath the rear seat, we can see a bit of evidence of water there. So that's where it's running down and filling up the footwells. If we quickly go over to the other side as well. Can't really see this side, but there's just a slight bit of water on there as well. So that's obviously what's filling the footwells up. We have managed to get a price on this. Apparently it is separate. So what we're going to have to do is take the window wiper off and the motor, and then obviously take the grommet off and put a new grommet in, and then obviously put it all back together. So there we go. So that's what we've found so far. We looked on the invoice previously. This back rubber wasn't sealed. But as you can see, it is sealed to the car, so it's not loose. I mean, just for belt and braces, because we haven't sealed it last time. There we go. So this bottom bit comes off a little bit easier. Because we haven't sealed it with our stuff, it may be worth obviously just resealing this door rubber or tailgate rubber as well, as just so it's all nice and bonded to the car. So there we go. Oh, and just to double show, I believe you know yourself, but we've got wetness in the driver's rear, as we can see. That goes to the front as well, and it's the same in the passenger side as well. So there's wet all underneath the carpet. So there we go.